Say hi.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Dubois Family Dinner. We like to eat on a budget.
So we've received a request to make coconut chicken curry bowls. So we are going to be making that tonight.
All right, so we cubed up our sweet potato. So we're gonna put it on a baking sheet and we're gonna roast it in the oven.
You gonna help? You wanna film? Okay. Good filming. Good filming. Good filming.
Can you film me, buddy? We're gonna put olive oil in it, and then we're gonna just toss it with salt and pepper.
Yeah, good job.
Then we're gonna roast sweet potatoes at 425 for about 30 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and cook our chicken. We're just season it with salt and pepper and put it in a preheated skillet. We're actually gonna make the curry sauce in the same pan. That's why we're using the high edge skillet. So we're gonna go ahead and pull out the sweet potatoes. It's been about 15 minutes on 425. And all we're gonna do is we're gonna add the bell peppers and put it back into the oven for a little bit longer, for about 5 to 10 minutes. Alright, so we added the bell peppers. We're going to put it back into the oven at 425 for 5 to 10 minutes. Alright, so me and Ray, we're going to go ahead and flip the chicken. Ooh, got good color on the chicken. Good sizzle. Alright, so the roasted veggies are done. So we're going to take those out and let them just chill on the side while we make the curry sauce. And we're just gonna top it off with it. All right, so we're gonna make our curry sauce. So we had some of this left over because Asian family, my mother gave us a box of this. And so we're just gonna go ahead and use this. So we're breaking off a couple cubes into that same pan that we cooked the chicken in. Okay, we're gonna try to break them up and then we're gonna mix in coconut milk with it. We did lower the heat as well because we don't want the curry to burn before we start developing the sauce. But obviously you can adjust if you want. If you like the extra curry flavor, go ahead and add more of this. If you like less, then do less. Another way that you can do it, and I've seen it done in the past, is just with curry powder. So you do the same thing, just measure out curry powder instead. So I'm gonna add the coconut milk. With our little mix here, we did 2 blocks of it, so about half of the square, and then used it with a full cup of, or a full can of coconut milk. Okay, so we took our chicken out and we just cut it into more bite-sized pieces, also to help the chicken stretch a little bit more. So we're just gonna mix that in and let it marry with the sauce for a little bit. And I forgot to mention, but you can get this curry pack really anywhere. Some Walmarts will have it in the Asian section. Otherwise, if you just Google Asian grocery store or something like that, they'll have it there. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start building our chicken curry bowl. So obviously the base of rice, just cooked it in our rice cooker like normal. Okay, and I'm just gonna go ahead and ladle on some of this curry sauce. Make sure you get some chunks of chicken in there. Okay, and even just a little extra sauce, because everyone likes a little extra sauce on the rice. Okay, and then we're gonna add our veggies to the side. And there it is, chicken curry bowl.
All right, y'all, thanks for watching.
Let us know what you want to see us make.